Hey guys, Shane again. Quickly look at cryptos today. What's it? 15 October, Friday afternoon. Just want to shout out to Jamie Rousseau from South Africa who sent me these caps. Thank you so much. I love them. So I'm a very big XRP fan. So very cool. Thank you very much. Okay, you guys don't look at my face, unshaved and everything. So I will switch this off. Okay, so let's quickly look at what we've got here for the Bitcoin at the moment. All right, guys. So as I posted on the group this morning, we are literally looking at, sorry, 1, 2, 3, and I'm waiting for this to finish off wave 4, and then we could see a new high from there. If I look at my 1 hour chart, I am still looking for this target that I showed up here, which is 61,000. I meant to make this video this morning, but I wanted to do this afternoon when I get my caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so I'm expecting one more move up. There's a mini 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is going to push easily to, I reckon we will or should be at the 61,000 and even above. So once we're done that, if you're a trader, I think you should be starting to decide what you want to do, when you're going to start taking profits. But as soon as we finish this, I really think this should then come down and finish the bigger wave 4. So this is your major 3. Here's 1 and 2, 3. This is your 4. So from 54,000 to 53,000, that is your very nice support area where I believe we should be able to hit this all-time high and possibly even break it. We're very close to it. So we'll see what happens at the 64, 65-ish areas. If we keep going through, then great, good news for the bulls, all going well. Okay, so at the moment, watch for a new high here, or little small high here, 61, 62, whatever. I'm still hoping for this pullback to there, and then we can see another wave 5. Guys, after that, you need to be very aware of another 3-wave correction that will bring us probably down to the same levels again of 54, 50, whatever thousand. If not, where's wave 1? If that's wave 1, we cannot break below 45. So as long as we're above 45, so we come down to 50-ish or 50 something, and then continue with the bull run. So that's what I see at the moment, still playing out as planned. Yeah, okay, so let's quickly look at what else I got here. I believe, well, I got my XRP hat on. Let me see what I'm looking at there. All right, so I've got this scenario where I said to you guys last week or whenever it was, watch your 120 zone for your resistance. Exactly 120, 123, we turned around and made a little correction down. We made a small B wave up. So I ideally would like to see small 5 waves down to about the $1 area, which will be a nice buy area for the XRP guys. So that's what I'm looking at the moment. I shouldn't say it's out loud, but yeah, I have a small short position in play, hoping for new lows, but I will be looking at buying down here. Okay, so that's XRP still playing out as planned. And then if I look at what else we got, Ethereum, Litecoin, all following the same thing. So I look at Ethereum. Ethereum, I'm surprised that it hasn't reached the 39,000, 4,000. So that was my initial thoughts. If I look at, if I've got the major 1, 2, and then inside there, I've got my mini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I go back to 4-wave structure. So now we're still on this line. And now we should have 5 waves for the final wave up here, which is 1, 2, 3, doing 4 now, and we should push up. So yeah, we can still see 3,900, 4,000 zone for your Ethereum. Okay, so remember down here I mentioned there's another buy area, which was a nice push up from there. So yeah, once we get up here, especially 4,000 guys, you need to look for any corrections down to this level again, 3,400, 3,500, and hopefully another push up to continue on the bull run. All right, so what else is it? Everything else is basically the same, guys. I mean, Doji is coming down a bit for a nice structure. So I shorted it from wave B and I made some profit there. I got out, I bought a bit, and then I got out again, and now I've sold again. So I'm hoping this time with a tight stop, because this could actually finish and break through now. But because you've got an overlapping structure and it's broken that top of that wave there, right? Because that had happened, I'm inclined to think we might see a possible new low down here before we can see any buying pressure getting in there. So that's what I'm hoping for at the moment on my Doji, Matic, and BTT. So BTT and Matic, I said to, when was it, last week? I said to you guys, very good place to buy. Over here it was, and then I got in, and then it corrected, and I got out. So, and I did post that on the Facebook. So I got out with my buys there because the structure has slightly changed. Could be a deeper one. So now Matic was doing exactly the same pattern. So if I look at this, I think my line is, oh yeah, there we go. There I bought there, and then I sold there at that line because we're doing this and a 1, 2, 3 structure, and it looked like it wants to do one more dip before it runs. And then this morning, out of the blue, it just decided, obviously an hour after I got out, it decided to just rocket. I have no idea why or what the news was, but I personally, because it came back to wave 4, and I did say yes, it's a good place to buy and hold. I didn't follow my own rules. I actually just got out, hoping for another low. Now that's a mistake I've made. If I look at what's the other one? SHIB. Let's look at SHIB quickly. I don't want to spend too much time today, so let's quickly look at this SHIB. Okay, so a few people laughed when I said they must short it from the top, but anyway. So now we've got a nice little structure coming down. My initial, see, there's my initial green arrow that I initially was hoping for A, B, and a very sharp C. That was started playing out, but then it slowed right down. So down here, I closed all my short positions from the top. So that was nice, very quick. So everything I made in those 5 ways waiting, and I got out here, I made in 2 days from there to there in a short sell. In fact, doubled. Now I've got an A wave, got my B wave, but now you see the C wave should be an impulsive wave as well. It didn't happen. So we could have this ABC down here, which means from here we should have a bounce to the highs again. If that's the case, guys, then this is your major ABC like this for another move down to the same lows or just to break that low. And once it reaches that, that will be an awesome buy opportunity. Okay, so that is what I see on SHIB at the moment. So yeah, I did close my shorts. I'm not going to buy it here. I'd rather wait and see how the structure plays out. You know what? Maybe I should buy something. Okay, maybe I will buy something small there and put my stop below that if we get this wave. If we get out, it's fine. I can then just reload again at the bottom. But just watch this structure. We might have that before we have this, and then that's all right. So that's just my view. I'm not trading advice or financial advice, all that stuff. I think we'll leave it there for now. Let's have a quick thought before I let you go. Bitcoin. Let me just go to daily chart again. I know we're super bullish and we will remain bullish for now. What's the volume looking like? The volume is okay. All right, so just to keep in perspective, and I know you guys hate it when I say this, but if we are looking at, I need a drawing tools. On here. Any drawing tools? Okay, so we said this is the one, this could be the 2, and then we're going rocket all the way 3, 4, 5, big moves. But just keep this in mind, guys. If this is A and this is B when we get to the top here, we could still do the C down there, 20 something, below 20 actually, and then have the massive bull run. All right, so this is still I keep mentioning this, but it's still in the back of my mind. I'm not gonna lie, it's just something to be very aware of. So this would be your A, B, C, sorry, your first 5 up. The 1 could actually be an A. This 3, instead of being a 2, could be your B. And now we're doing 5 waves, which is your C on top here. And once we get here, if it doesn't keep on going, we will have a problem where we could have A, B, C down to 20, below 20, and then the big run. And then this will be the big 3 and a big 4 down here, and then a massive wave 5 run up until new highs and hundreds and that. So again, please just keep this in mind. I will delete this because I know you don't like seeing it. But for now, yes, I'm bullish and we're all running and buying and carrying on. But keep that in mind. If this thing rolls over on top here, okay, what I will look for is if we have 3 waves down, which is going to be normal in the mid 50s or 50 or whatever, and we will continue up, which is great. But if this thing starts going fast in 5 waves, we will break the low, okay, and then go up again. That's my view anyway. Good luck and enjoy.